Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This is the week of Easter, and I'm using the Easter kit from Scribble Prince Co. I don't remember much about this plan with me because I've had this filmed for many weeks now, and yeah, and I just haven't had time to do my voiceover, so I'm finally getting around to do it. Also, I do want to say I will be taking a small break, which I mean I kind of already take breaks anyway from posting. Right now I currently do not have anywhere to film. Things are kind of different right now for me. I'm trying to figure things out, and it's just I don't have anywhere to film at the moment. And I will get into that when I get to those plan with me's. But yeah, so just want to give you guys a heads up. I will be trying to stay active on my Instagram, and I will also try and post as soon as I am able to. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of taking a little break from planning, which is really sad because I really do miss it. I'm not doing it like on purpose, I guess. I'm not doing it because I'm not into it right now. I definitely am still into planning. I just need to take a short little break. So, yeah, I just want to put that out there. This week I'm also using gold foil and I'm using a few day extenders. But yeah, this was just the week of Easter. Don't really have much else to say about it during this base. Yeah, I feel like there was a lot I was going to talk about during this time, but I don't remember any of it now that I'm like filming this voice or doing this voiceover. Um, yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. Oh yeah, I messed up my headers and I was kind of pissed off, so I ended up just cutting out that so you wouldn't have to see me fix my headers this whole time. But yeah, okay, I'm going to move on to the sidebar. I went and was tracking my dinner in my sidebar, and I also tracked my eat at home and no spend. I did really great with my eating at home, and then I just failed at my no spend, pretty much, even now. I don't know why. I've just been buying so many stickers. Actually, in the comments down below, since I'm still in like a buying mood right now, if you guys have any recommendations of any shops that I don't use very often, or of like any shops that you're super into right now, put them in the comments below so I can check them out. I've been trying out a few new shops that I've never bought from, and I just want to try out some new stickers. So let me know some of your favorite shops. And if you have a whole list of them, name them all because I just want to check them all out. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the day by day. First thing on Monday is that I did my nails. I used a nail appointment script from Letters to Apollo, but I ended up cutting it and just putting nail, which doesn't make sense. I wish it had an S at the end, but obviously it doesn't make sense if it did, nails appointment. So I cut the appointment off and just put nail in because this was the day I took off my nail polish, my gel nail polish, and I painted my own nails. And here, I think this is my first video ever where I don't have any nail polish on. It's so weird. I hate my nails so much. They're so like brittle right now. But yeah, so I did my nails this day. I also had a Zoom meeting. I had a lot of Zoom meetings this week, so I think I marked it for every day. But I had a Zoom meeting. The meeting script is from Paper Bow Prints, which is no longer open. And then I used, I think it's a Munchkin zooming Zoom Munchkin to mark my Zoom meeting, and then underneath that I marked that I did a hair mask. I think it was last week I started my hair mask, and I'm still doing it like currently. I absolutely love it, and I've noticed a huge difference in my hair. But I've been challenging myself to do my hair mask every other day and washing my hair every other day and not putting any heat on it during this quarantine. So my hair has been doing so much better lately. And then underneath that, I marked that we cleaned out the shed at work. The shed was such a mess and so chaotic, and just everything was crammed in there and it just needed to be done. So we threw so much stuff away and just like organized everything, and it's so nice that you can walk in there and know exactly where everything is. We labeled everything. So I used the Munchkin to mark that. I also got my Alani Nu package this day because I've been ordering so much stuff from Alani Nu. And then I had a FaceTime date with my boyfriend, and I used an emoji to mark that. And I had a um, binge of Plan With Me's also. And so the YouTube icon is from Clever Girl Crafts, and then the binge Plan With Me's is from Letters to Apollo. Moving on to Tuesday. Tuesday they were supposed to be doing road work on my street, like they were repaving the roads. So we had to move our cars super early in the morning. So I woke up super early in the morning to move my car, and then they ended up not doing it, and they rescheduled it for the next week. So I have to move my car anyway, again, twice. And that just made me mad. So I used a no Munchkin to mark that. Down below that, I did some Amazon shopping, and so sorry, there's like noises. And so I used another Munchkin to mark my Amazon shopping. I was also super bloated this day. I used another Munchkin for that. I ran. I've been running a lot lately. I'm currently actually doing the Lululemon challenge. Lululemon and my running app that I use, which is Strava, they're doing this challenge to where you get like a trophy at the very end, like a virtual trophy, and then you actually get a prize from Lululemon. So maybe you guys, well, it's already too late to join the challenge, but if you guys are in that challenge, let me know. I don't know if any of you guys are interested or into that stuff, but anyway. I ran this day. I also posted on the Simply Gilded buy sell trade board, and then I also found my watch band, and so I used the Andrea Did You Know. I kind of wanted to cut the Did You Know part off, but it was just like, I don't know. I just thought how the Munchkin looked like worked perfectly because I found my watch band after losing it for over a year, and it's like the expensive one from the Apple store, and I thought I misplaced it, and it was just gone forever, and I was so mad because I spent so much money on it, but I found it in my desk, which I was super happy about. And then I also binge watched 2020, and I used a Kirsten Munchkin to mark that. Moving on to Wednesday, I had another Zoom meeting early in the morning. I also had to email a couple parents because I want to do something fun for them. A couple of my students, it was their birthday this week, and I wanted to do a Zoom call with them just to wish them a happy birthday. So I emailed their parents to get the okay to do that and like schedule time and everything. And then I also did another running, or I did a cardio day, so I essentially just ran. And I think this was the day I ran 6 miles, and I was tired. I have not ran that much in years, like 6 miles straight. So since I did that, I treated myself to some Chipotle, as you can see, but I had to mark a couple other things before that. It was also Scribble Prince Co.'s new release day, and I purchased some stuff, so I marked that in there. I also had Krispy Kreme donuts at work. My supervisor brought some in, and then at the end of the day, I marked that I had some Chipotle. I think I had a free Chipotle, so that's why I went ahead and did that. And then I also got a package from Lululemon, and I did my hair mask. Moving on to Thursday. Thursday, I had another meeting. And then down below that in that half box or third box, I marked with a Munchkin that I did my Zoom call this day with my two birthday, well, it was a boy and a girl. I was going to say birthday girl, but it was both a boy and a girl. Just to wish them happy birthday, and it was so fun, and the parents really did appreciate it, and it was nice to like catch up with the parents too because I hadn't talked to them in a while. And then I also had a Target run, and then down below that, I'm not sure what I marked in that little thing. I think I got another Alani Nu package this day. And then down at the very bottom, this was the day I went to go pick up my glasses. I absolutely love my glasses. I got some glasses from Tiffany's, and they're beautiful. I love them. And I also got a job offer this day, which was super random. So I guess I can talk about it now because I'm not going to be able to talk about it for a while. But my school that I work at, the after school program, everyone actually ended up getting laid off, which was really sad. And I thought I was going to be in that position too, but I actually got offered a job, and I immediately took it because I kind of needed to be selfish in that time because I wanted to make sure that I was secure with the job, and so I took it. and it was just another, it's still this my company that I work with at school, but it's just a whole different job position with at a different school and everything like that. And I'm really sad to be leaving my school, but I'm hoping once this whole thing's over I can go back with my students. But I just, at that point, I just needed to make sure I had my job. So I took that job offer. I also ordered some more glasses at Warby Parker, and I organized my desk this day. Okay, so moving on to Friday. Friday, I had a Zoom meeting about the job offer. I also had to go to the post office and drop off some of the stuff that people have bought from my Simply Gilded posts that I did on the buy sell trade board. I also got some poke this day. It was Good Friday, so I couldn't have any meat, so I got some poke. And then I had a meeting again after getting lunch. I had to go to the new school and have a meeting, and then I put a munchkin head and I put down memories because this is a school I actually first started working at in 2011 when I first started working like in after school care, and it just brought back so many memories. I hadn't been there in I think 3 years, and it was just like flashbacks. And there is still pictures up from my old students that I had back in 2011. Was yeah, 2011, but I think they were there 2012. But there, it was so weird being there, and it just felt great being there. I also got another package from Lululemon, so I used another box icon, and this was a huge filming day. I think this is the day I filmed all these Plan With Me's, these past, I think, 4 Plan With Me's that have been posted. And then I also, let's see, oh, I used a GP Girl to mark that I bought so many stickers this day. And then I came down to Sacramento to surprise my boyfriend, and because he was just feeling lonely, he didn't have anyone here, and he's been quarantining himself by himself. So I came and visited him, and he made us mac and cheese, and then we watched the movie The Hunt, which is kind of weird, but I really like those kind of movies. So if you haven't seen it, it's on, no, it's not on Netflix. We watched it on Popcorn Time. It's just like a website you can stream movies, but I liked it. It was a really good movie. And then moving on to Saturday, I slept in this day. I did a hair mask, and it was also my race day. It was the Giants race, the Sacramento one. But since this whole COVID-19 thing is going on, we couldn't actually do it, so I had to do a virtual. And so my race day is a custom script from Kinsey's Creations. We also watched this alien documentary, which was weird. I'm not into aliens or anything like that, but my boyfriend is like into like watching documentaries like that. So I watched it for him. I also cut his hair this day. Let me know if you guys have cut your own hair or your boyfriend's hair or guy friend's hair during this quarantine, because this was the day I finally had to do it. It was getting out of hand. And then we also watched the movie The Gentleman to end our Saturday. Moving on to Sunday, it was Easter. The Easter script is from SPC. I'm sorry I'm not saying where all these stickers are from. I'm like trying to catch up. So if you were interested in knowing where any of these stickers are from that you don't know, just ask me down below and I'll go ahead and let you guys know. Oh, I'm so sorry. There's a motorcycle. Okay, so yeah, it was Easter. I also DoorDashed some Noah's Bagels for our Easter breakfast, and it was so good. And then I was also in my feelings this day. I was just feeling sad because I couldn't see my family for Easter, and we just did a big Zoom call. So I put down a munchkin and a family time script to mark our Zoom meeting, and it was, I don't know, I just got definitely in my feelings after that call. And then I did some monthly memory planning from last year. I think I did March's memory plan from 2019, and it was fun because I just wanted to put down some stickers. And then I also watched How to Get Away with Murder because I think it returned that Thursday, and so I just wanted to like catch up on it. But yeah, so that's it. So that completes this week's Plan With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I think I'm gonna have to cut this out. It's like a big, long time where there's nothing going on. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this and supporting me. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification button so you guys get notified whenever I post videos and you guys will know right when I come back from this little hiatus that I will be on for, I'm hoping it's only like 2 or 3 weeks. But yeah, if you guys have any questions where anything is from, make sure to ask me down below. I'm going to be posting close-ups of the spread on my Instagram, which is Erica Marie Plans. Make sure you guys are following me there. And then I will also try and stay as active as I can on my Instagram, just so I'm there. All right, so I will see you guys in my next plan with me. All right, bye guys.